Hello and welcome to Shrimp Creole. Today, we're going to be making a delicious and classic Southern dish that's perfect for any occasion. Shrimp Creole. This dish is a perfect blend of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Shrimp Creole is typically made with shrimp, potatoes, and green tomatoes, but you can easily customize it to your liking. First, let's start with the potatoes. You'll need to peel and dice to medium potatoes. Then cook them in a large pot of salted water until they're tender. Once they're done, drain them and set them aside. Next, we'll cook the shrimp in a separate pan. Heat a small amount of oil over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they're pink and cooked through. Now it's time to add the other key ingredients. To the pot, the green tomatoes and diced onion. Cook them for a few minutes until they're softened. Then add in the diced tomatoes and cornstarch. Stir everything together and bring it to a simmer for a few minutes until the sauce has thickened. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste.
Finally, it's time to add the cooked potatoes to the pan with the shrimp and sauce. Stir everything together and let it simmer for a few more minutes until the potatoes are heated through. And there you have it, Shrimp Creole. This dish is perfect for a cozy night in or a special occasion. So go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching.
Everything here is optional. Subscribe.